And is what you need up close, because we need to get them up close, yeah? Okay. Now there's a zoom here, right, for in and out. But if you go right up to the glass, go right up to the wire, go right up to the wire, right up to the wire, that's it. Very good. Are you recording? You are. Oh. So all you've got to do is follow me, alright? No, don't follow me. I mean follow me when I'm in there, right?
Okay, so.
Well, actually, tell you what we'll do. I'll go in here. Right. Now then. Now then. Yes? What do you want? Okay. If you go in there, in this part here, look. That's it. Right, where's the spoon gone? I've got it out again. You're going to shit on top of me and everything now, aren't you? Close the door. Put the hook on the door. Put the hook on the door. There's a hook. That's it. Put that on there. Right. Right. Okay. Okay? My God. We were out walking one day, my wife and I, and we found these two Mynah Birds that had fallen from way up high in the trees, and there was no way that we could get them back up in the nest again, we couldn't see the parents of these birds anywhere, and considering the temperatures were close on 120 degrees, we decided to take them home with us. They were two little things, and as you can probably see from this, we've been feeding them ever since, and I've become like a sort of a mother figure, if you like, to them, because every time I go into the little aviary where they're now kept, well, they practically attack me for the food. It's quite funny, really, but it's also very interesting, and I'm glad we did what we did. So many parrots here, sadly, fall from the nest. They die. The temperatures are so high, and the wild animals get them. But these two little things, what we have here are two Mynah Birds. One's a female, one's a male, I think. I'm not quite sure about that. And as you know, they are purchased in pet shops, I think, for their ability to mimic and talk. So what we're going to do with them at the end of this, I really don't know, but as you can see, I'm feeding them, and I'm using the end of the spoon that you hold, and they seem to have taken to it quite well, and they love this stuff. It's called crumble, but to be perfectly honest with you, they seem to eat anything that's sort of wet and sort of gooey, providing it's sort of proper food, so there you have it. So I hope you enjoyed this little video, and thanks for watching. Bye now. Okay, you can go out now, yeah?